is Dr. Santosh Dixit. I'm a prosthodontist implantologist. We have mother and daughter, very charming duo today. They have got a lot of treatment done from us. So we'll just ask them how did they feel. She is Ritika Singh and she is Harmeet Kaur. What made you come here?
So I'm from US. I've lived in US for about 25 years, and I was looking for some dental follow-up treatment for myself and actually for my mother, primarily initially for my mother. She being a senior citizen, I wanted to make sure that one, it's a safe place, friendly place, also that they are up to speed with the technology and safety. Convenient also in terms of days of work and flexibility. And so we found Dr. Dixit's clinic through two different things. One, by looking on the internet and researching like what places to go. Dr. Dixit is very modest, but he and his wife are listed on Femina's most powerful couples of Pune as some of the best doctors in Pune. But I also came to visit them and really talk to them and found them very friendly and understanding, someone we could talk to and understand going through a long treatment. You expect to build some trust with your doctor, and I thought that that was something we could find with this clinic and their staff.
Yeah, regarding Harmeet ji, I have done total extraction and we placed 2 implants in her lower jaw. Harmeet ji, could you please
Yeah, I had
how do you
very
feel?
nice,
I mean,
good
how do you,
experience.
can you eat and you know?
Yeah, I am
drink?
very much satisfied and very happy with the treatment.
And do you recommend us?
Definitely, definitely. I brought all the way my daughter from the US. I said if you want to go for dental treatment, you must go to India and you must get it done through Dr. Dixit only. So she had come all the way for her dental treatment and dental problem from the US.
We had the options to actually explore dental treatment in US also. I'm covered through insurance there. So I first went to talk to some oral surgeons and dentists in the US, understood the diagnosis and the procedure and the work. And then my brother lives in Pune, my mother spends half her time in Pune. So we debated both the options of getting the treatment in US versus in Pune, and we felt really comfortable with Dr. Dixit's clinic. The staff is very friendly, they are very modest, very grounded, and they are very good listeners. So I have really tested Dr. Dixit's patience. Every time I ask him what you're doing as an educated, informed person of the society, I want to know what is getting done, what are the risks, how much time will it take. And for my mother, the most important part was that it should be painless. So Dr. Dixit used to say, आंटी आप बिल्कुल फिक्र मत करो, अगर आपको जरा भी दर्द होगा तो आप मेरा हाथ हटा देना. So we've not